Assembly instructions. First, you want to take this piece with the 4 slots along the top. Next, you want to take this piece with 2 slots on the bottom. Slide this into the second hole in. You then want the next piece, 2 slots on the top, 2 slots on the bottom, and slide this into the end slot. Next piece, 2 holes on the end and you 2 bits on the bottom, and then you 2 slots. Slot this into the second hole in. Next one, we've got the 2 slots on the top and 2 slots on the bottom, and slide this into the end. On each outer piece you've got 2 slots facing upwards, and in the inner pieces 2 holes into the centre. You want to now turn it over. Next, take the small piece with the slot facing upwards and slot this in the middle. Take your next bit with the slots all along the bottom, and you want to slide this over the top. Once you've started to push it down, you'll then want to hold on to the piece in the middle that you've just added to keep that upright, in line with all the rest. Don't be afraid to be nice and firm. Wiggle the pieces as you need to and push down. Turn it over again. You want to take the small sections with the slot in. These go at the bottom. So you want to slot over and then push in at the same time. Again, don't be afraid to wiggle them about to get them in. Repeat again on the bottom one. You then want to do the same on the other side. Next, for the side pieces, you want to take your wood glue and you want to apply this to either side of the raised pieces. Then on the bottom piece you want to apply some wood glue either end. You want to turn it up so that's on the top, and then slot this piece on. Once that's on, you want to turn over again and repeat, applying your wood glue. Slot this piece on the top. Turn over again and apply your wood glue. Slot the piece on the top again. Turn over once you've done that. Slot this on the top. Don't be afraid to pull and push any of the inner pieces to help it slot in. Don't worry if it's a bit tight though. what we can do is turn it over, and then that will help you apply some pressure whilst pulling and pushing the pieces in. That's all done. Next you want to take your wood glue, and then we're going to apply this to all the pieces either side of the raised areas. As well as the corners. Once done, you then want to turn it over and slot it into the backboard. It's complete. Take your wood glue again. We're going to apply wood glue to the base of the fire. You then want to slot this in. Next, apply your wood glue to either side of all the raised areas again on the front, as well as the corners. Take the fire surround and slot this on the top, pushing down. That's all complete. Next we're going to move on to the drawers. So you need each of these pieces for one drawer. We'll push them all together to get the right fit. So in each corner join you'll have a big square and a small rectangle. As you can see, that's the same for each corner join. You want to then take your wood glue and apply this to all the lower teethed areas of all of the pieces. Repeat this on the base piece. Then you want to push and pull up. Repeat this as you go around. If you pull them up and they're not going quite together, don't worry. All you need to do is just take the other side piece, just pull it forward and back a little, and they'll go in. Remove any excess glue. That's your box complete. Repeat this for the rest of the boxes. Here's your completed calendar. We do have other options for these for personalisation and candle tops. These are all available on the website.